Posting a graphical image on Facebook helps reach a wider audience than just posting a plain text. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook post. I'll specifically show you how to create a Facebook post using Canva. So to create a Facebook post, I'm going to sign in to my Canva account. Upon signing, I go over to create a design. In search, I search for Facebook post. I have Facebook post here, which is 940 by 788 pixels. I click on it and it will open up in a new tab. Now I have my canvas. In here I can go ahead and choose any of these pre-made templates, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this from scratch. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and add a background. So I can go to more and I'll choose background. From here I can choose any of these backgrounds I want. Maybe if I want this, I can just click on it to add it up. But I'm not going to use any of these backgrounds, so I'll go ahead and upload my own background. So I'll remove this. I have the image I want to use as my background on my folder. I just drag it and drop it right here. I can minimize this. So I have my image uploaded. I just click and drag it in here. So if I take it to the corner here, you see that it will fill up the whole canvas. I drop. The next thing I'm going to do is go over to elements and I'll click on see all. Going down, this is the element I'm going to use. I just click on it to add it up. I increase it by holding the corners. Okay, I think this is cool. I can go to position and take it to middle as well as center. Awesome. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add my product image. So I go back to my folder and I drag in my product image right here and it will start uploading. I can minimize this. It is uploaded. I can just click on it to insert it. Now I take it up a bit to the center and I want to give it a little bit of rotation, just like this. Perfect. Next I'm going to insert a text. So I click on text right here and I'll choose heading. I go ahead and enter my heading. Sports watch for men, but you won't be able to see it. So I'll highlight all and I'll change the font color. So I go to text color right here and I'm going to go ahead and choose white. Awesome. Now if I click aside, you will see it clearly. Oops, I think this is for men and not meant. Sorry. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is reduce the size of my text. So I can select it again. Then I go to the minus icon right here. And I think 45 is cool. So I can move it down here. Perfect. Maybe I can reduce the size of my image, that is the product, like this. And I'll take it to the middle. Perfect. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and duplicate this text. I can select it, then I go ahead and press Ctrl+D on the keyboard and I can resize it to the middle. And I'll change the text, so I select all. Up to 65% off. Next I go ahead and duplicate the text again. So I click aside and select it again, Ctrl+D, and I'll take it down here. Make sure it's in the middle. And I'll go ahead and enter my text by triple clicking. And my text is too big, so I select all. Then I go over to font size. I can just click in here, then enter the size I want. So maybe I enter 15, hit enter. 15 is too small. I can increase it to 18 or maybe 20. I think 20 is cool. Perfect. Maybe I can move it down a bit like this. Awesome. Can also move this a bit down. The next thing I'm going to do is change the font of this particular text, that is up to 65% off. So I select it, then I go over to fonts right here. So in here I have a bunch of fonts I can choose from, and I'm going to go ahead and use this Exa semi bold. I'll make it bold by clicking on bold icon right here. Next, I'm going to change the font color to match any of the colors of my watch. So if I go to text color, in here I can choose from photo colors, and you see that I have the background here as well as the watch. So these are the various colors for the watch, so I can choose this to match with the color of my watch. Perfect. Lastly, the border, I can change the color as well. So I just select it, then I click on color. Now go ahead and choose the same color so that I'll have matching colors. Perfect. And now my design is done. The final thing I'm going to do is go ahead and download it so that I can post it to Facebook. So to do that, I click on this 3 dots icon right here. Then I go ahead and click on download. And the suggested file type is PNG. You can also go ahead and use JPEG, but I'll keep it as PNG if I want a high quality image. Then I'll go ahead and click on download. And it is downloading right here. So from the download pop-up, I just click on OK to have my design downloaded. So I have my image downloaded. I can just go ahead and click on it to open. Perfect. So with this, you can post it on Facebook to kick the ass of your competitors. So that's it on how to create a Facebook post in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.